Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better give a treat that's good to eat if you want to keep life serene. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat the whole night through. Little scalawags with fiendish gags can make you.
Guys, guess what? We are gonna go to Knott's Berry Farm. We're gonna look at their pumpkins. We're gonna look at Snoopy. I'm so excited. You guys know I'm a Peanuts gang fan, and I'm already wearing my It's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown shirt. I'm super excited for today, and I am gonna vlog the most that I can, share what they have, what's new. I'm also wanting, I think, a little bucket list. I want a pretzel there. I really want a pretzel there. Maybe a nice dessert, and go from there. I'm gonna go with my hubby. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, so we're on our way there, and I'll talk to you guys when we get there, okay? We made it to Knott's Berry Farm. As you saw, they have some creepy skeletons in the front, which is so cool. And they did take off the Snoopy that was on top of this waterfall. I don't know if you guys remember, whoever has been here to Knott's, so you guys know this. They had a Snoopy on a canoe. So all we have is the waterfall now, but let's walk around Camp Snoopy. I really want to see him.
And enjoy your ride.
Okay, it's later on the day. We have been, so far, we've been on Ghost Rider 3 times. We also went on Silver Bullet. We also went on Sidewinder, and then we went on Calico Mine, not Mine one with the tunnel, but we had so much fun. So we got here like at 12:40, and now it's 4:40, and I think we're just gonna walk around for a bit and enjoy the rest of the day. They do close at 6. From here, we're gonna go grab dinner. We haven't chose the place, but I'm thinking of Olive Garden. It's always that place for some reason. We had a funnel cake earlier. I showed you guys that. You're probably gonna see us getting some dinner. And I'm just gonna walk around, enjoy the day. I love Knott's Berry Farm and I can't wait to come back, especially for Christmas. Christmas is gonna be so awesome. So if you love Christmas as well, just remember to subscribe, guys. The next day and I really had so much fun yesterday at Knott's Berry Farm. I haven't been there in like 2 years. Just if you want to see more of Knott's Berry Farm vlogs, let me know. If not, we could wait till Christmas because I am going to do a Christmas vlog there. Yes, we'll talk about Christmas in a bit. I still want to talk about fall. Right now I just finished baking some cookies and I'm so excited. It's those viral cookies that you've seen for I think a good 2 years now. It's like the chocolate chip cookie, then you add the Pillsbury cookie, and they're so pleasing to see and eat. I'm not gonna lie though, I do feel kind of heavy eating the funnel cake, but we walked so much yesterday. Oh, and Olive Garden. But we walked so much yesterday that it didn't feel so bad. But today I did go to the gym earlier, and then later tonight if I want to use the bike, I could just use the bike and do more cardio. I just wanted to bake some cookies. I wanted to feel very fall aesthetic today. I went ahead and did that prep because we're gonna watch It's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown later, and I'm so excited. It's my all-time favorite Halloween fall movie. I know the Peanuts also has a Thanksgiving one plus the Christmas one. The Christmas one is my top tier movie. Something about It's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown, it's super nostalgic and cute and I just love it. I also want to make a pumpkin spice latte. I saw a recipe online. I'm gonna do the foam as well. I was gonna buy whipped cream, but I'm like, no, let me do the foam myself. I know how to do it. So I'm gonna do that while I watch my movie, also make some popcorn. But I also wanted to chit chat for a little bit, okay guys, just a little bit. I know I talk a lot sometimes and I'm sorry for it, but we're getting closer to Christmas and I am a festive person, so if you guys love all my fall and Halloween content, just imagine Christmas. If you guys are ready for Christmas, comment down below, even though this is a fall and Halloween video, that you're excited for Christmas as well. Now I am gonna go all out this year, and not just in decorating but in the most aesthetically pleasing videos, realistically too guys, because we cannot be perfect 24/7. I really want you guys to join me for some Christmas magic soon. So I think my first video, I mean I already did I think 2 Christmas videos, but that's store vlogs. I don't consider that as like the series, even though I'm still in the fall Halloween spirit. I'm excited for Christmas. So I think my first one is gonna be a plan with me for Christmas. So I'm gonna have to pull out all my totes and see what I have before I go shopping. I did get a few items, I'm not gonna lie. Not a lot, but I'm hoping I could do 1 or 2 more videos for fall before I start the whole Christmas series. So let me know if you guys want to see something else for fall Halloween, and I'll try to squeeze that in. I think it's time to make myself a pumpkin spice latte and watch my movie, because this is enough talking. Yeah, let's go do that. I have my spooky socks on, and these are the slippers I'm gonna go with today, which is the Charlie Brown one. Ignore my legs. Prickly pear here, stop. I love to romanticize my life, and I feel like with the busy world that we live in, I feel like there's times that we should literally stop what we're doing and make yourself some popcorn, put that movie on. I am almost done with watching my movie. It just made my day. I think this is where I'm gonna end the video, guys. I had so much fun. Stick around for more videos to come. With all that said, have a cozy day, guys.